Alright, welcome. This is a video about how to use the drum machine in BandLab. So we've already used some loops in here and here. We've already got some virtual instrument stuff happening right here. What we're going to do now is we are going to add a drum machine part. So I'm going to click X because I don't need this anymore. I'm just going to click add a track and I'm going to choose the drum machine. And if I click on this little icon, right here, I can bring the drum machine up, okay? And if I hit play, you're going to see what they start us with by default. Okay, so just a very generic beat, and we can change the actual drum machine that we have here to have different types of sounds. So right now it starts us off with that 808 kit sound. If you go to one of the drum kits on the top here, it's going to sound a little bit more acoustic, like a real drum set. If you go to the pad kits down here, these all sound a little bit more electronic. And you can, of course, hit the play button to preview what it's going to sound like. Now I've changed the drum machine that I'm using. I didn't actually change the pattern, but even so, it's going to sound different. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I am going to just go to pattern C here, because you can save up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different patterns, and by default it gives you A and B. Okay, you're going to see how this comes in later, but when you program in your own patterns, you're going to be able to use them in the song. So you can see that it put in pattern A and it put in pattern B by default. So these two patterns are already in here, and if I hit play, you're going to hear them. I hit the wrong play button, but I want to play the whole song up here. And you're going to notice that right here, it's going to switch from pattern A to pattern B, right? And those are pretty different. So first, you want to put the pattern into the drum machine. Then you're going to be able to put it into the song. So for example, I could just put something in really quick here. Okay, so kind of an offbeat, funky sounding pattern there is pattern C. So what I can do is I can click on pattern A and hit backspace and just delete it. And then I'll bring my cursor back over here. And you see where it says add A, right? So if I hit add A, it would put A into here. But what I want is C, which is the one I just created. So I'm going to click add C, and then you can loop it out for as long as you want. Just like with loops, how we could extend them by dragging along the top, you can extend them by dragging along the top, just like this. And now we can hear the song with the pattern that we just created. Oh, again, if you're focused, if you're clicked onto this and you hit the space bar, it's going to play down here. But I keep meaning to play this. So let's play the song with the pattern we created. Oh, here we go. Okay, so that is how to use the drum machine in BandLab.